So I got all kinds of streaks on my windshield that my wipers aren't getting, and it makes it really dangerous, especially at night when it's raining. As you can see right here, this part of the windshield isn't getting any of the wiper blades. So today we are going to be changing the wiper blades on the 11th gen. So the wipers that I got are these Rain-X Latitude. The driver's side is 24 inches, passenger side is 19 inches. First thing that you're going to want to do is obviously take your wipers off. They say put this on service mode, but you know, you can literally just go like this instead of turning the car on and turning the car back off and doing the service mode thing. Anyways, yeah, lift this up right here just like this, lift it up, and then there's a little button right here that you can press. Once you press it, you should be able to lift this wiper blade up just like that, and it's easy as that. Now I've already installed the wiper blade on the passenger side just as like a little tester, because there are additional steps, because this does have this specialized adapter, which makes it a lot harder for us to install your typical J-hook wiper blades, and it makes it a bit of a pain getting wiper blades. Let me just put this down real quick, gently. This is what the wiper blade looks like, and as you can see, there is no way in hell that this is gonna fit because, like I said, of the specialized adapter. Because if you try to put this in, this guy is in the way. It's a little too fat, so it's not gonna fit. So the workaround to this is you have to take the cover off. This size right here, kind of just have to go like that. There you go, and then it should slide off. Basically, on the sides, you pull outwards so that you can slide it right off. Then the second part to this, so now we're going to take off this blue thing, this blue tab. So same thing with the black cover, you kind of just have to pull from the sides and hopefully it pops off like so. There you go. See? Alright, so now you're going to be left with this. And as you can see, this is kind of the similar size of the stock adapter. And you're probably thinking, there's no way that this is going to fit because the Rain-X one is a lot bigger than the stock one. Well, you're wrong. So we're going to take this. Okay. And we're basically just gonna slide it on like this. Okay, so take your wiper blade, this whole thing goes inside, this top part is on the outside, so we're just gonna stick it on like this. It's hard to do this on my left hand, but we'll get it done. It looks like that, pretty much, okay? And like I said, this top clip, or this top part, stays on the outside. Once you do that, you just kind of push it in. Like that. So now, you got new wiper blades on your 11th gen Civic. Hopefully this helps, because it is a pain trying to find some wiper blades for the 11th gen because of the specialized adapter from Honda. So now you're not going to have any streaks anymore because of the new wiper blade. And then test it out. There you go. Boom. No more streaks. Look at that. Magic. And of course, don't forget to take off these yellow cover slider things. So yeah, that's how you change your wiper blades on the 11th gen. There's a little thing right there because the wiper blades don't really cover it. But yeah, for the most part, look at that. No more streaks. Awesome.